How to buy HoneyFun token. So this token came under the symbol of AIBERA. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free monthly rewards on crypto with the best referral code. See please goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC. Now to be able to buy this token on MEXC, go and log into your accounts, as you can see. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your token on fund your account, with some USDT. Now after that, type the token symbol. In this case it will be AI bearer, as you can see. Now after that, click on this pair. Wait a few seconds to load this page, as you can see. So this is our token. You can buy it from your account on MEXC. Now click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of the USDT on your account. Now click on buy AI bearer. If you click the markets, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of the USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy AI bearer token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.